This is QuickTime Technology. I'm your host QTT, and today we have an unboxing of the Beats Solo 3 Wireless Special Edition Silver. Let us start the unboxing. Okay, we have these scissors. Go into it like this. Take off all the plastic. Can get rid of all of that. So here is the box itself. Solo 3 wireless. Got the Beats. Got all this Bluetooth, battery, fast fuel, battery life, built-in wireless microphone, control the music. Okay. People aren't hearing all the music. With Beats, people are going to hear what the artists hear and listen to the music the way they should, the way I do. Dr. Dre. This is silver. Made for iPod, iPhone, and iPad. And there we have it. Take this off. Put that to the side. Lift the lid. Put that there. Lift this up. And it says, change the way you hear sound. Put that to the side, and here we got the Beats in here. Move this to the side for the moment. What do we have in here? It's like a little tab. Lift this up, put that there. We have an instruction manual. Okay, rip open into this. Instruction manual, Beat stickers, more information. Put that all to the side. What do we have in here? We have a clipper. We got another wire. Your charging USB port. Okay. Another one. Your 3.5mm headphone jack cable. Put all this to the side. And here is the star of the show. Okay. So we have the Beats itself in a case. Oh my goodness. There they are. Wow. These can adjust. Take the stickers off. My first impressions are, this is amazing. Okay. Your battery indicator, headphone jack, charging port. This one is clickable. Okay. That was my Beats Solo 3 wireless unboxing. How do you feel about it? Let me know in the comment section below. If you would like to buy these, there will be a link in the description. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video.